Thanks for coming back to Polka Dot Mailbox, and if you're new, welcome. Today I'm creating a sequin mix for my December daily. This is a Christmas collection from Vicki Boutin. It is the Evergreen and Holly collection. It's a really fun class that she offered for Christmas 2022, and I decided to partake in her class, and I wanted to create a sequin mix to go alongside of this collection because I have quite a few pages. I like to incorporate little bits of sequins in amongst the pocket and then seal it off. And this is a little peek at her collection. It's really a fun kit. It's amazing how well she puts together a class, and it's done in such a short amount of time. There's so many different places for journaling and pocket pages and photos. So it's really, there's so many flaps and layers that you have ample space to put all your pictures, which is a real problem for me scrapbooking because I always have so many pieces of ephemera and little bits and pictures and stuff from the season. So I just tuck those into my album, and then I have everything all organized to be able to put together. I'll show you how I organize it actually. So this is how I organize my December daily. Each of these is a different day for the month of December. And then I just have my journaling. I take notes every day on my phone and then I print them out. So I put the journaling in the pocket alongside of some pictures from the day. This was that card making class that I did on the 1st of December with the group of neurodiverse individuals, this community group. Anyways, so all of this is in my envelope so that when I go to add it to my album, I don't have to remember which day was what. It's all right here and I can work away at it throughout the year, which is what I do. This is already spring when I'm filming this, and I've only just got my album put together and my pictures printed, my journaling printed. Now it's just a matter of gluing it all together. But I like to add some sparkles to my page, so that's why I'm going to make a sequin mix for this album. So let's get started. I want these colors, and it's interesting because this Christmas collection has your traditional reds and greens, so that's easy enough to do. So let's do a couple, like a pinch of large red, a pinch of large green, and then some smaller reds. These ones not as shiny, and you could put some black in there. Black and white even. We're going to put some of the plain white. And you can add other things like these for texture, these beads. Let's put some of those in there. You have to be careful with those if you're having a project that you want to be flat. If you're doing like a shaker pocket, you want to stay a little bit away from beads. We can use some of this glitter. It just looks like this. It's confetti glitter. I'm going to put some more of this yellow, and just a pinch because yellow is in this Christmas collection very subtly. And then I'm going to put some white. Just a little pinch of yellow. Let's put in some white. There you go there. Let's stir this up and see how it's taking shape. I think we should definitely add in more of these greens since I don't have any other smaller greens. I think there might even be smaller greens in here. They're all different sizes, but we're going to add some more of those guys in there. And then more red. Let's put some of the shiny red. We did some subtle red. Let's do some shiny reds. Okay, and now let's add in our pinks, because it's very subtle, but this does have pink in it. So we're going to put our pink glitter and see how that changes this mix. Beautiful. So now you can see the sparkle that's going to bring. It's going to add that very subtle pink. Really got a lot of green in there. We need to balance out that more red. Let's do some more of these. Another pinch of that. There we go. We can even do a pinch of actual pink sequins. Okay. And let's see how this is looking for our Christmas mix. Gorgeous. I think we could use more white as well. Got like all different kinds of whites. Here's some shiny whites. But iridescent white. And then we could go ahead and even add these cute little gingerbread men buttons. And there you go. So that is my mixture for my Christmas collection. Okay, so here's the finished product, and I actually found a interesting set from Sprinkled with Cheer from Rosie's Studio that I just want to add into the mix, because it's this interesting star and peppermint and candy sprinkle mix. So I think it would be really cute. Just have to open this up. Okay, it would be really cute to add in. There we go. This last little bit to our sequin mix, and then we can spread it around, and we have this really yummy, amazing Christmas mix that you can see matches our collection here. Let's take this out and show you. So there you go. That is the match for this Christmas collection. And now I can actually, let's go ahead and even just try this right here. So I just take some of this and I add it to my pocket, and I can make sure to get all of the colors each of the times. And there we go. So I can seal that off, or even add stitching to stitch it off, or you can use washi tape. I could put a photo in there, or I can even just leave it as the pocket like that, the way that it is. So thank you so much for watching. I will leave links down below for the latest order from Beebeecraft if you are interested in any of that. And we will see you again next time.